Hi, I'm KJ Carter, and I've been modeling for 2.5 years. My experience last year was really fun. It was the first year, so I really had no expectations, but it turned out pretty well. And this year we have a chef/photographer. I think they were calling him a chef-tographer, and he's been amazing. We didn't have that last year, so I'd say that's the biggest improvement. It's a bit more organized this year with the scheduling, and we have the board up, you know, for everyone to see and to fill in to see who's open and to see what everyone is up to. So yeah, it's been going pretty smoothly. Everyone is so nice, and I loved meeting everyone and creating. I got to wear the angel wings with a white lingerie set, so that was really pretty. And I also did a shoot standing next to Leah the horse, so that was cute too, and I enjoyed that. And I also got to shoot more doubles this year, so that was really fun, getting to pose with other models too, so yeah. I also took photos, a few of them myself, and I didn't do that much last year because I wasn't really sure what the vibe was, I guess. There's more models that shoot other models this year, so I felt more confident and comfortable, like, asking them to pose too. The staff was awesome. Phil is awesome. He's super creative and is always ready to shoot with someone. So is Andy, he's amazing too. And the chef-tographer, like I mentioned before, he's awesome as well. If you want to follow me or book me, then you can check the links below.